Hello everyone. As you can see that this section is dedicated to Tahir Khan Kiani, and I am happy to see that Mr. Tahir Kiani is here in the exhibition. Sir, hello, how are you?
Hi.
Sir, would you please tell about yourself and what motivated you to become a photographer, and what pictures you are exhibiting here?
Uh, Thank you very much. I'm basically a pilot, and my specialty, you can say, is aerial landscapes. During flying, I found out that there are so many areas in Pakistan which are yet to be seen by the world, especially the Balochistan, which I believe is yet to be discovered. So I kept on taking these shots over a period of time whenever I could get a chance. Not very frequently, but over the years, I was able to get many pictures which were appreciated by people. These are all pictures from Balochistan, which is considered to be not a very good place to go for normal people, but I found it very interesting and to be explored. This is Takht Suleiman, the throne of Suleiman, we call it. Out of all the range, this is the highest, one of the highest area, covered by pine trees. It's around 3 kilometers by 10 kilometers area at around 11 to 12,000 feet high. On this side it's KPK, and the other side is the Balochistan, so on the boundary of that. And it's a major barrier for the weather also. So it stops the monsoon in summers. You can see these clouds. This is close to Dalwadin. It's you can say it's remnants of some volcanic activities in these areas. It's a 1,000 feet high feature in the middle of desert. This is again close to that area. I call it a beetle because it seems to have 4 legs and all that. But these are actually the heavy metals which were left behind. It's almost in a desert-like area. So I took it as an interesting subject to show off. This is Gwadar, Jabal Mehdi, around 1,000 feet high, taken from the seaside. This is Ziyarat, very famous place in Balochistan where Quaid-e-Azam stayed last days of his life. It's around over 2,000 meters high, 8,000 something feet. These are all fruit orchards, but the city is surrounded by, we call them the living fossils. These are the juniper trees, around 5 to 7,000 years old. So it's free to go there and see. This is Stola Island, taken shot from around 20 kilometers away. It's not inhabited, but it's interesting for the ecotourism because green turtles and some other rare species they breed over here. This is Kallat, very famous in Balochistan. It's a beautiful city at a higher altitude, surrounded by the orchards of apples and other fruit trees. This is Quetta, where I am nowadays. It's a city over there. It's a Chiltan mountain. Quetta is actually surrounded by 4 major peaks of around 3,000 meters, 2 to 3,000 meters.
So, sir, as I can see that all of your photographs are taken from high altitude. What is the reason?
Because I'm a pilot, and I found that there's hardly anybody covering Pakistan in that length and breadth. Since I have been serving for quite a long time, so over a period of time I was able to collect some good photos. Sometimes, rather most of the time, sitting behind the aircraft, or sometimes during flying myself also.
So, would you say some words for Photographic Society of Pakistan and Photographic Society of Japan's this joint venture exhibition, and how you feel coming in Tokyo, Japan?
Till now, it's an amazing experience. I run short of words to explain, but everybody over here is really taking care of us. This is one of the best places I could imagine to showcase my work. It's amazing that Photographic Society of Pakistan and Japan, they have a very good collaboration, working very meticulously, giving us time, guiding us. So we are learning a lot. At least I am learning a lot by seeing, by talking, by interacting.
Thank you very much, sir. Best of luck.